After cancellation of the Class 12 board exams, concerns have now been raised over the conduct of IIT JEE, CLAT, NDA, and more such exams in physical mode, challenging the decision of the Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE and Indian Certificate of Secondary Education or ICSE to cancel the Class 12 board exams. A plea was filed before the Supreme Court on Monday. However, in a major decision, the Apex Court quashed all petitions regarding cancellation of CBSE and ICSE exams and change in the marking scheme. Today, petitions related to CBSE, ICSE and state board exams, including cancellation of CBSE compartment exams, plea challenging cancellation of CBSE and ICSE exams, and adoption of uniform criteria for state boards were scheduled for hearing. Petitioner Anshul Gupta sought directions from the court to CBSE and ICSE to explore the possibility of conducting Class 12 exams rather than cancelling them. Gupta stated that Class 12 exams are very critical for the situations and will impact admissions for courses like IIT, NDA, MBBS, CLAT, etc. Moreover, the petitioner also contended that even if Class 12 board exams were cancelled, the same students will have to appear physically for competitive examinations like the IIT JEE, CLAT, NDA, etc. The petitioner questioned how Class 12 exams for these students are a threat and other exams aren't. However, the SC bench responded that each board is different. It mentioned that the decision has been taken by the highest authorities and is a well-informed decision. On exploring possibilities of Class 12 exams, the SC bench noted that reversing the decision would put lakhs of students under uncertainty. A larger decision needs to be taken, which was also taken last year. Government has already taken a decision and thereafter we endorsed it, the bench said. As per reports, the April-May session of the Joint Entrance Examination Main 2021 was postponed in the view of COVID-19 surge across the country. Apart from JEE, many other professional and entrance exams were also deferred. The National Testing Agency, which conducts JEE, is expected to announce new dates and the revised schedule for April and May session by the end of June. Bureau Report, OTV News.